Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News on Fox 14. Joining us in the studio today, Olivia Ryan, the Southeast Region Director for Special Olympics Kansas. She's here to tell us all about an upcoming bowling event for Special Olympics Kansas. Olivia, welcome to the show. Great to have you here so early in the morning.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, not a problem. So you've got this special event coming up. Tell us about this. What's going on?
Definitely. So tomorrow is our Southeast Regional Bowling for Adults. It's going to be at Holiday Lanes in Pittsburgh, Kansas. We have over 200 athletes registered to bowl. We'll have 3 different flights going with all of our athletes. It should be a really good time.
And what exactly will this do? What are you raising money for? How does this help? Really?
So we're a nonprofit. We put on these events for our athletes. We have regional events that feed into state events. Our state event, I believe, is August 11th and 12th in Kansas City. So if our athletes would like to go on and do state after regionals, they have an invitation to do so.
And you said you've got more than 200 adult athletes registered. How does that compare to the years past on this?
Definitely, we're definitely getting closer to pre-COVID numbers. COVID kind of, as it did to everyone, our numbers went a little bit down, and now they're starting to climb back up. So we're really excited to see those numbers growing and grow into probably a second day of bowling here. We have so many. So
that's got to be fantastic. Like you said, guys, COVID really messed a lot of things up across the whole country, the whole world.
Definitely,
really. So being able to get back to this and start to see it grow, how essential is it for people to participate in something like this?
Definitely, it is just. It's so important. It's so important for every side and every person that shows up. The idea of inclusion and having that socialization, the competition, and they're so sweet and kind. It doesn't matter if they get first. It doesn't matter if they get last. They're just happy to be there. They're happy to receive their medals, and they're happy to spend some time with their friends.
Honestly, that's how I think all of us really need to perceive the world.
Definitely.
It's not a competition. It's about being with your friends and having a great time.
Exactly.
And this is a great opportunity for some of us to maybe remind ourselves of that. So
definitely.
And is registration still open? Can people still get signed up for this?
So registration is closed for our athletes, but we need volunteers. If you go to our Facebook page, and I will share that. We are down some volunteers. It is the middle of the summer and the middle of the week, so I completely understand, but we can totally use some people to come and do scores and cheer on our athletes, and there's shifts available too.
All right, sounds good. So you'll have information on that for volunteers, and of course we will as well at KOAMnewsnow.com. Olivia, thanks for coming in this morning.
Thanks for having me.
And we will be back with more of the KOAM Morning News right after this.